guys, my name is Ravindra. Welcome to my channel Code of Duty. In this video we will talk about what is Git cherry pick. So let's first try to understand what is Git cherry pick. So let's first try to understand what problem does it solve. So let's have your branch is feature branch and you are working on something, let's say some project or something, and there has been some recent changes on the master branch and you don't want to merge that whole branch into your branch. Let's say this is the master branch and you are not interested to merge this master branch into your branch. Let's assume that. And you are just particularly interested in this one commit which has some certain changes. So what you will do, you will just bring that one particular commit into your branch, and after that you can work on that, and after once your task is complete you can just simply merge into that one particular branch. So this problem is solved by the Git cherry pick. So I will summarize this. So this is useful when you don't want to merge that one branch into your branch and you are just particularly interested in one commit and you want to bring that one commit into your branch. So this is the problem that is solved by the Git cherry pick. So and this is the official documentation of a Git cherry pick available on the Git website. You can just check it out, and I will show you how to use the Git cherry pick in a meantime. Now let's head over to our terminal. Now let's head over to a local repository. CD desktop Ravindra. Ravindra is my local repository. I have talked about this repository in my previous video. You can check it out. Now let's try how many branches does it have. It has two branches. Currently active branch is the second branch. This is the active branch that we are currently working on. Now let's try to do git log. Here you will see all the commits present over here. The latest commits will be present on top, and let's say you want to bring this one commit into your master branch. So this particular commit is present in second branch. It is not present in master branch. Okay, and you want to and you don't want to merge this second branch into the master branch, and you are particularly interested in merging this shifting this particular commit into this master branch. So let's copy this commit hash. I have copied it. Okay, now I will go to master branch. I have copied this commit hash from the second branch. Now we are going to the master branch. Hit enter. Now I'm currently on my master branch. Say, let's see. This means we are currently on master branch, and type git cherry and commit hash and paste the commit hash. Okay, hit enter. It will show one file change, 4 insertion and 2 deletion. This means that one particular commit, this particular commit has been added to a master branch. Now let's do git log. So see, yeah, example file edited. This commit was present. So this git log is of master branch, and previously we also did git log. So we have shifted that one commit into our master branch. So one thing to note out that commit message will be same, but commit hash will be different. Okay. Now I will give you one more pro tip. Let's say you want to bring that one particular commit to this branch but want to keep the commit message different. So what you will do git cherry pick. I have already copied the commit hash from this branch. Now I will paste it here, and after that I will just simply type -n. So what it will do, it will just stage those commit that you want to bring from this branch to this branch, but it won't create a one commit. Okay, so after this just hit enter. Now if you do git status, here we can say that one file has been modified. This change is coming from this branch, so we have bring those changes into this branch, master branch. So now after that, so this particular change is staged. So what we can do, git add. This is our example file. So we will just hit enter. After that, you can just commit it. So and we can rename it whatever we like. This changes is, let's say this change is from second branch, and hit enter. And after that, we can push our changes remotely as well. So this is the basic of git cherry pick. And just in case if you would like to know more about this git cherry pick, you can have a thorough look at this the git cherry pick documentation present on official git website. So that's it. I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe and share with your friends. All the best.